This video, I'm going to show you how to generate hyper-realistic AI images for free using ChatGPT and multiple AI tools. First, upload your image into ChatGPT. This can be a selfie or any reference image you want to recreate. Then I type this exact instruction. Provide full JSON visual analysis for this photo. What ChatGPT does here is very important. It analyzes the image and breaks it down into structured details such as facial features, lighting, camera angle, mood, composition, and overall realism. Once I get that analysis, I don't just copy and paste immediately. I read through it, edit the words, refine the style. After that, I copy the JSON prompt. Then, I go to this AI website called Lovart AI. I paste the prompt into Lovart AI. Select the Nano Banana Style Pro model. This website gives you 100 free credits, and at the very end of the prompt, I add my aspect ratio, for example, 1:1 for Instagram or 9:16 for TikTok and Shorts. By following this process, I'm able to generate a hyper-realistic image using ChatGPT and Lovart AI without paying for a premium plan. The second AI tool is Ideogram AI. This is one of my favorite tools because of its text accuracy, and it also allows you to edit images. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're only focusing on the image generation features. There are two key features you need to understand here: style and character. How to use Ideogram first, click on the Style option. This controls the overall look and feel of the image, things like color tone, texture, and visual mood. For this example, I'm aiming for a 90s nostalgia style, so I select that option. Next, for character consistency, upload your reference image under the Character option. This tells Ideogram to keep the same face and identity across multiple images, very similar to how Nano Banana handles character consistency. To avoid guessing prompts, I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate an image prompt based on my reference image. I paste that prompt into Ideogram, generate the image, and now I can maintain the same character while changing scenes or styles. The third AI tool is Whisk AI, and this is my favorite tool for animation style visuals and storytelling. If I want to generate a consistent character for free, I start by explaining to ChatGPT in detail the type of animation, mood, and scene I'm trying to create. Once ChatGPT gives me a detailed prompt, I take that same prompt and paste it into Whisk AI. For example, I'm creating this character for one of my faceless channels. I want an image of him calling his girlfriend with a thought or overlay bubble showing her. So I upload the character reference under Subject. If I want the same environment, I upload the location under Scene. Then I describe the action clearly in the prompt, that he's on the phone and there's an overlay bubble visualizing his girlfriend. This way, Whisk understands both the character and the visual storytelling I'm trying to achieve. Here are the key features you need to understand. If you want the same character, click Subject and upload a reference image. If you want the same location or environment, click Scene and upload a reference image. If you want the same style, such as an outfit, accessories, or overall visual look, click Style and upload a reference image. This helps Whisk understand not just the character, but the story being told in the image. This is how you move from random images to intentional storytelling, especially for faceless or narrative-based channels. The last AI tool on my list is Dreamina by CapCut. This tool is very underrated. It gives you around 120 free credits, and most of its features are completely free except for the Nano Banana Pro model. Dreamina also offers features like AI video with first and last frames, AI avatars, and AI mimic motion. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a video I generated using Dreamina AI. For this tutorial, we're focusing only on the image generation feature. After generating the image, you're not limited to just downloading it. You can upscale the image to improve quality and sharpness. You can also turn the image into a video, apply motion, or expand it further using Dreamina's built-in tools. And this is all possible using free credits. So you're not just generating images, you're building content that can be used across multiple platforms.